Hello, I am Tara from livingonadime.com, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, and today I just hit the mother load of meat deals. I would say this is probably the second best meat deal I've ever gotten. The first one was several years ago before we did videos, so I don't have that one on video, but I ran in to get Mike some Claritin. I cannot believe it. I'm so glad I stopped by the meat department just to see if they had anything on clearance. Look at this. Holy cow, I just got a little basket. It is totally overfilled. So I'm gonna check out, take this home, and show you guys what I got. Okay, so then on the ribs, when I went to go pick them up, it was leaking rib juice over the floor, so they had to put them in these great big bags. But for $1 a pound for ribs, let me tell you, I'm taking it. So of course, the poor guy has to enter in every single meat item I bought. Because the scan code is not working. Okay, so what do you think of customers who come in with a huge basket full of stuff and then you have to enter in everyone by hand?
It's very exciting.
Are you good with dealing with it?
Yeah.
I have to say, you've been very patient. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, well, thank you much.
You've been a great checker. Thank you. Holy cow. First of all, how in the world did I fit all of that in that little tiny basket? Secondly, I spent just around $200. I probably have at least 5 to 6 months worth of meat, if not more. I got a stinking good deal. Holy cow! I cannot believe I just got all that meat. I got like 150 pounds of meat for $1 a pound. Give or take, may have been like 130 pounds, I don't know. I'm gonna add it up when I get home. I cannot believe I just got that great deal. Here's the thing though, I was actually headed to Sprouts to go pick up some cucumbers and some chicken there, but for the $3 I would save at Sprouts, I am worn out. That was heavy, pushing that around the store. So I'm canceling Sprouts. We'll just pay full price for cucumbers, or next week. They may be on sale tomorrow. Anyway, this was after Memorial Day, the day after Memorial Day. So what happened was they had bought too many ribs, too many rolls of hamburger. So they need to get rid of them. I was the one who got the good deal. So let's go home and see what all I got. Okay guys, I need mussels.
Hello.
Mussels are here. See, now this is the beauty of having 3 boys and a husband right here.
What about handy husbands who get
And handsome.
corn skewers out of the garbage disposal?
Oh no, did we get a corn skewer
I had
stuck
to
in the
surgically
garbage?
remove pieces of it.
Ah, Dave, I didn't even ask Dave. He just
because
automatically.
I know the routine.
You know the routine.
What's this? You got a deal or something?
I just got ribs and hamburger for $1 a pound.
It's,
Wait, you got a hamburger patty?
so she usually doesn't come back with this huge of a thing unless there's something amazing in it. So
$1.
yeah.
So Dave, you have hamburgers. How does that make you feel?
Ribs for $1 a pound?
Yep,
Dude. Wow.
I know. All these recipes I got to test for the new cookbook.
Yeah.
I got almost all the meat I need for it.
Yay.
I was so excited.
Good cooking, woman.
Did I do good? Listen to you.
How many women are like, oh, shut him off right now?
All right, kitchen table, boys.
But hey, he's handy, so what do you know?
laid out. I'm gonna go through and explain everything I got. I got 9 racks of ribs. Some were marked $1 a pound, some were marked $1.32 a pound. So I got 9 racks of them. Love ribs. They had these pre-made meals, $2.99 for almost 3 pounds, not quite 3 pounds. So $1 for the entire meal, already made pork roast. That is a great deal. So I got all 3 that they had. They had hamburger, $3 a pound for 3 pounds, or $3 for the chub for 3 pounds. So $1 a pound. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 33 pounds of hamburger. They had chicken for $1.77 a pound, which was not on clearance. It was just the regular sale price, but we needed some chicken, so I got 3 of those. Then they had hamburger buns because it was Memorial Day for 89 cents a pound, or 89 cents a bag. So I got 4 of those to go with the hamburger to get started. Bacon was marked down from $9.99 to $6.99 a pound. By the way, these ribs here, they were $16 a pound down to $7. So got more than half off on that. These had, I've never seen these before. They're mashed potatoes with cauliflower, I guess. And they were $1.39 a pound. I had a $1 off coupon, so they were 39 cents each. It was on the thing here. Bananas, 49 cents a pound. Bagels, $2.39 each. And I got me some vegetable juice just because it sounded good. Got Sprite because we got a couple people not feeling too good. That's what the Jello is for also. This was 59 cents. 73 cents for the off Sprite. Milk, I paid full price, $2.59 for milk, but I ran out of space in my freezer with all of this, so I figured I won't be stocking up on milk. That's fine. My gluten-free bread, I found this new bread I really like. It's called Be Free. Super delicious. This was $6 for each of these loaves, but I eat 1 or 2 pieces a day for my gluten-free, dairy-free diet. Got some vegan butter for my gluten-free, dairy-free because I have to eat it. Then they had lunch meat for $1.99 on clearance, and then some regular lunch meat that was $3. Then I don't normally buy steak, but this one was $4.47 a pound, and I have a couple of steak recipes that I need to test for the new book, so I got that. And then Mike's coconut milk creamer, this was $5.50. Oh my word, I about had a heart attack. If I knew this was how much he was paying for this, I would have found a recipe. So you can guarantee this recipe is being found this week. And we are making our own. No, $5 for 1 quart. That is crazy. So that is going to be a recipe we're coming up with. So guys, I got all of this. You saw my receipts. I think one was $169 for the business portion for all the recipe testing. And then I think it was 30 something for our personal portion of it. So $190 for all of this. I will need to buy a little bit of chicken, but this amount of meat will probably get us through October or November. Now we are going to be gone for 8 weeks of that. So this will get us at least October, November, maybe December. I got a really good deal. Please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Please like, subscribe, and share. Give us a great big thumbs up, and we will see you guys next time.